Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Aktab, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Financial Express newspaper headline. So, first of all, budget may have very few tax soap. Next, why Bisleri is a good fit for the Tatas. Next, Ramesh Chauhan wants to sell. TCPL is the front runner. Next, markets his record high on Dovi. Next, SBI to wait rising rupees 10,000 crore vibe of infra bonds. Then next on page number 4, in that rupees 400 crore of tax deposit by filing updated ITRs. Next, coal stocks at thermal power plants may reach 45 MT by March end. Next, IFCCI launches CSR initiative at Levant in New Delhi. Next, global slowdown to dampen India's exports, FinMin report. Next, traders seek fiscal initiatives cheaper credit. Next on page number 4, next CCI to look into GST profiteering to take over from NAA from December 1. Next, unemployment rate dips to 7.2% in July September. Next, India sees GCC agree to pursue free trade agreement. Next, Punjab gets government note for UTI mutual fund stake sale. Next, bringing back old pension system is one of the biggest rewards Monetech Akhulla Wale. Then we comes to page number 5, in that government open to making changes in PMFBY. Next, recession unlikely in APAC region, says Moody's. Next, private sector capex likely at rupees 6 trillion CEA. Then we comes to page number 6, in that government holds back rupees 1000 crore subsidiary to EV makers. Next, Amazon to shut down India online learning platform. Next, Adani Open offers 2.8 billion NDTV shares tendered. Next, Ultra Volatility launches fastest electric bike starting at rupees 3.8 lakh. Next, Air India groomings norms for cabin crew, no crew hair, no religious ring. Next, Bisleri's journey in India when a brand became a category. Next, Vistaris by Biocon allotted rupees 2206 crore shares of ARM. Next, Volvo Car India to hike prices of select methods models. Next, Lamborghini drives in Urus's performanti. Next, Venta India plans to open co-working centers in NCR. Next, Tube Investments buy 50% stake in X2 Fuels. Next, Cipla's Goa plant official action indicated SUFD. Next, Lilly meditation for early stage breast cancer. Next, CDCO provides 4,158 apartments via lucky draw. Then next on page number 7, indeed B2B startup Udan raises additional venture debt. Next, Super Gaming partners with Google Cloud. Next, PwC India launches staff engagement initiatives. Next, Japan's Shibaru machine to invest rupees 225 crore in India. Next, Central Vista Executive Enclave contract awarded to L&T to rupees 1,189 crore. Next, TVS Motor extends global footprint with the showroom in Singapore. Next, deadline for submitting Sri firm's resolution plan extended further. Next, government fixes rupees 7,000 for not 9 crore indicative value for the Ashok Hold Hotel. Next, Zomato gaining share at Swiggy's expense. Next, ONDC to democratize e-commerce sector in India, says a joint Vax report. Then we comes to page number 8. It's an article section in that prioritizing FTA with UK. Next, regulatory measures for EVs. Next, prioritize peace, not war. Then we comes to page number 9, in that wait and watch on metaverse. Then next, John Jacobs rollout virtual campaign. Next, Samsung thanks retail partners in new video. Next, that NSDC reimagines brand identity for skill mission. Next, target maturity fund a good bet. Next, 5 tips for renewing your motor insurance policy. Then we comes to page number 10, in that Buffett gives over $758 million in Berkshire shares to charities. Next, European Council's President Mitchell to meet excise. Next, Binance Yahoo flags $1 billion for distressed assets. Next, China's COVID numbers hit record as economic outlook darkens. Next, Foxconn apologizes for error related to pay after unrest. Next, most Fed officials seek to slow pace of rate increases. Next, iPhone City locks down urban areas. Next, firm offers staff $1,400 to leave. Next, Malaysia's Anwar becomes PM. Next, Pakistan names army chief as strife with Imran Khan depends. Then we comes to page number 11. In that, monetary policy hindered by data lacks revisions, says Patra. Next, Keystone retailers shares climb over 3% in debut trade. Next, hedge fund buys BB fintech shares. Next, SEBI bars HRSA proprietor for 6 months. Next, Ashok Chandra is Canara Bank ED. Next, Finvesa Group opens office in Mumbai. Next, capital formation now a lot easier. Next, market scale fresh high. Next, monetary policy hindered by data lags revision and says Patra. Next, inflation expectation continue to remain anchored. Next, India VIX slides 20% in the last 1 month. Next, debt fund of 2 4 year duration look promising. Then next on page number 13, in that 18-month window for pre-filed IPOs. Next, Paytm 75% slump is worst for big IPOs indicate. Next, Pirmal Finance and Jorich Insurance plan to form JV falls flat. Then we comes to page number 18, in that banks insurers to hold 50% in IOC CPCL unit. Next, Goel EC file moved super fast. Was there an insurgency? SC asks enter. Next, India Iran agree on continue cooperation on Chabahar port. Next, do you know if Sina Bora is still alive? Rahul Mukherjee tells court. Next, data driven index tracing art prizes launched. Next, INS Trikand INS Sumitra take part in bilateral exercise with Oman Navy. Next, SEBI clarifies green bond listing norms. Next, panel looking into VC PE issues in last leg of talks, the Mundaran. Next, India-Iran agree on continued cooperation on Chabahar port. Next, Sunax in UK's Asian rich list, Hindujas on top. Then next on page number 20, in that e-commerce food apps on top education feds. Next, 475 Vande Bharat trains target on track Vaishnav. Next, taxing employee stock ownership plans. Next, Lulu Group opens 5-star Kerala hotel. Next, Uday verify before accepting Aadhaar. Next, hotel industry to see 23% revenue growth. Next, how Kadar scores smooth public transport to crowd management. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.